What's the meaning of beech tree? Beech tree. Beech tree.
Beech tree. Beech tree. Beech trees are deciduous trees that are native to many parts of the world, including Europe, Asia, and North America. The name beech comes from the Old English word bees, which means book, as the tree was often used for making writing tablets. Beech trees are known for their smooth, light gray bark and their oval-shaped leaves which turn golden bronze in the autumn. They typically grow up to 120 feet tall and have a broad, spreading canopy. Beech trees are prized for their wood, which is strong and durable, and is used for furniture, flooring, and veneer. They are also an important food source for many animals, including deer and birds.